Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is NURUL FARHANA BINTI SUHAILEE and now I'm studying Diploma in Science at UiTM Tapah. So today I want to share with you guys about one topic that I learned under chemistry subject, which is rate of reaction. Okay, so generally rate of reaction means the change in the quantity of reactant or product per unit time. That's why the rate of reaction is inversely proportional with time. The rate of reaction can be determined by measuring the time taken for an observable change to occur. For instance, we can measure the decrease in the quantity of reactant with the time taken, or the increase in the quantity of product with the time taken. The main point of this video is I want to share about the factors that can affect the rate of reaction. In the first place is the size of particles or substance. Substance with the smaller size can have the higher rate of reaction than the bigger size. For example, there are two sets of experiment. The first one is the reaction between magnesium powder with 50 cm³ of sulfuric acid, while the other one is the reaction between magnesium granulated with the 50 cm³ of sulfuric acid. From these experiments, we will know that the first set will have the higher rate of reaction. Why? Because they have the smaller size of the magnesium. This means the total exposed surface area of the magnesium in set 1 is larger than set 2. Next, the factor that can affect the rate of reaction is the temperature of the solution. The solution with the higher temperature will get the higher rate of reaction than the solution with the lower temperature. For example, there are two sets of experiments. The first one is the reaction between calcium carbonate with the 50 cm³ of 60 degrees Celsius hydrochloric acid, while the other one is the reaction between calcium carbonate with the 50 cm³ of 30 degrees Celsius of hydrochloric acid. From these two experiments, we will know that the first set will get the higher rate of reaction. Why? This is because the first set has the higher temperature of solution. So, the kinetic energy of particles in the set 1 is higher than set 2. This means that particles can move faster to collide each other. The other factor is the concentration of solution or electrolyte. So again, there are two sets of experiments. The first one is the reaction between zinc powder and 20 cm³ of 0.4 mol decimeter sulfuric acid, while the other one is the reaction between zinc powder and 0.2 mol decimeter of sulfuric acid. So from these two experiments, we will get the result that the first set will get the higher rate of reaction. Why? This is because the first set have the higher concentration of solution. So, the number of particles, which is hydrogen ions per unit volume, is higher in set 1 than set 2. Okay, last but not least, the factor that can affect the rate of reaction is the presence of catalyst. For example, the presence of copper 2 sulfate. Okay, the experiment with the presence of catalyst will have the higher rate of reaction than the experiments without the catalyst. Why? This is because with the presence of catalyst, reaction occurs at alternative path where the activation energy is more lower. Okay, so I think that's all from me about the rate of reaction. I hope that everyone who watched this video can learn something about this topic. So, Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.